Hey guys, let's open up a whole entire box of Labubus. I'm so excited. I've had this box for like 2 days. And like now is the time to finally open them. Choose one randomly. Let's go with one in the back and the middle. Let's see this one right here. It's like calling my name or whatever. We're hoping for the secret. I already have lychee berry or lychee berry, and I already have sesame bean. I really want soy milk, and I want the freaking secret so bad. But let's see. I don't know why I thought it was like a sunny angel. I was like already gonna see it. But let's see. Let's see. I'm not gonna look at the card. I'm not gonna look at the cards inside because I don't want to like ruin the surprise. Let's see. What is this one? What is this? What is this? Oh my god, this one's so cute. Is this soy milk? I think this is soy milk. He's so cute. Or she's so cute. Okay, next one. I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. And for those of you guys like asking like when I'm gonna sell them, this is my own box that I'm opening because I do collect them as well. But I'm waiting for like Pop Mart to like send me the rest of them so that I can, you know, sell the rest of them. But as for now, these are mine. Let's go ahead and open this one. Let's see. Hopefully we get like no doubles, right? Like there's no doubles in this one. Okay, let's see. Let's see. You guys can see what it is. Oh my god, it's green grape. Look at how cute she is. Also, I have no idea why I'm opening like this when they literally like open straight across, like, but whatever. Okay, next one, I'm gonna go with this one in the back. Here we go. I'm so excited. Where's the little thing? Oh, there it is. No peeking inside. Let's see. This feels like really, really big. Where's the little thingy? Oh, there it is. Sea salt coconut. Look at how freaking cutesy. Okay, next one, this one right here. Let's go ahead and unbox this one. Let's see. I want the secret so bad. Like, just please give me a secret. Whatever. Oh my god, this is lychee berry or lychee berry, whatever you want to call it. But look at how freaking cute. Okay, I'm gonna box one more because the other one I'm gonna save for like a video that I'm gonna do pretty soon. So let's see. Which one will be the lucky winner today that I'm gonna open right now? Okay, I think this one right here. This one has to be the one. Let's see. Secret. Oh, we're gonna say secret. What am I missing? I'm missing toffee and I guess sesame beans in this box as well. Hopefully this is toffee. I really want toffee. Is this freaking soy milk? That means I didn't get a secret. No. Oh wait, I think this is toffee. Why does he look so much darker on the box though? Because like look at how light this one is compared to this one. So this is toffee, right? I'm pretty sure this is toffee and then this is the soy milk, and then I got lychee berry or lychee berry, and then I got sea salt coconut. So I have one more to unbox. Wait, one more? I have two more, right? Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot about green grape. Like no way I forgot about her. But look at how freaking cute they all are. I'm gonna unbox the last one tomorrow, so I'm gonna do another video. Here's them. Look at how cute they are.